Hello! Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what exactly you're doing, but hi! My name is Kenzie May. I post my makeup over on TikTok daily, and I've started posting tutorials on YouTube because it's been requested of me over on TikTok to do tutorials, and TikTok only allows 3-minute long videos. I feel like what I have to say is a little bit longer than 3 minutes, so I'm posting it here. Today we are doing yet again another requested look on TikTok. This request has been in my saves for a very long time, along with all the other ones that I've been chipping away at. The comment that I will be using today I will put right here. It is requested that I do a red and purple look. There's a lot that I can do with this, but you've probably already seen the thumbnail, so you know what I'm going to be doing, but I have no clue what I'm going to be doing. So hang tight and let's go through this tutorial together of a red and purple look. So when I am looking at things, trying to plan out this look, I immediately thought of this purple shade that I have had forever in this Anastasia Beverly Hills Self-Made palette. It's this royal purple shade right here that's really kind of inspiring this whole look. But what I'm going to do first is apply some red into my crease. So we will start there. To start with the red, I'm actually going to be using this peachy pink shade right here called Big Bows, and just putting that all over my crease. I don't know why I did a head nod, but yeah. And now with a smaller pencil brush, I am going to be applying the red into the crease, but more along the outer corner. For my red, I will be using this shade in the Morphe X Disney Making Friends palette called Life's Short. I don't know if you caught the pun. They're little Mickey Mouse shorts. So cute. Just because I want a little bit more of that red to be picked up, I'm going to use the same pencil brush in the same red and applying that.
Choose your fighter. Lakey inspired. Fight.
Just to start tying in some of that purple and also to smoke out my outer corner. With a flat packing brush, I will be dipping into this dark purple, but lighter of the dark purples, shade called Out Loud. And like I said, just putting that on the outer corner. And with that fluffy brush that I was using for the pink, I will be dipping into the red, which is Out Loud in this palette, and just blending out that purple. Now, just because I feel like that purple wasn't dark enough, I will now be dipping into this dark purple shade, the darkest of the purples. It's called Very Vixen, and just putting that where I was putting the purple before. Using that fluffy brush again, dipping into Life Short, and just blending out that purple. Now for that blast of purple, I'm going to be taking a flat packing brush, another one, a new one, clean one, and just dipping into the shade right here called Deep Purple. Just putting that, like I said, on my lid. And to just blend that out a little bit, I'm going to be taking that dirty fluffy brush and just blending it all out. Now with a new, clean, small, fluffy brush, I'm going to be dipping back into the red and just adding a little bit more red because I feel like it disappeared. Find this. That's what it looks like when I feel like I have too much eyeshadow on my brush, so I just wipe it off. Now, just because I always need some eyeliner, I'm going to be using my iMethod Beauty's Stamp Wing eyeliner and just applying some eyeliner. That was a lot of the word eyeliner in a sentence. I'm sorry. I'm gonna hop off camera and do my base, and we will be right back. Now that I look like a whole wreck, we are going to go straight into lining our waterline. I'll be using my NYX eye pencil in black and just lining my waterline. Now with my pencil brush, I'm just going to smoke out that lower lash line. And just because I want to add some glitter to my lid, I'm going to be using the SheGlam Glitter Wizard Invisible Jelly Shadow, which is the glitter, if I can look at it, the glitter that turns purple. I can't really tell. Can you tell? Yeah, you can. Look at that shift. We're going to put that on the lid. Just don't run over your eyeliner. That's all I gotta say. To brighten up my inner corner a little bit, I'm going to be using the Morphe X Cyan palette and using this pink marbled with purple shade called Violet Flame, and just taking a flat brush and just putting that in my inner corner. Just because, like I said in my last couple videos, I feel like it's really repetitive, I'm going to hop off camera and do my eyelashes and my mascara, and we'll be back to do the lip. For my lip today, I'm doing something dark because I'm feeling a dark lip today. So I'll be taking my MAC lip pencil in the shade Burgundy and my MAC Viva Glam with Ariana Grande, featuring Ariana Grande. I don't know. But it's a dark burgundy shade. She's dark. And we'll zip right through the lippy. And to clean up the edges a little bit, I'm going to be using this lip brush, just putting it on the lipstick, dipping it in, getting her loaded, and just cleaning up the edges like I said. So I know I've mentioned this a few times in previous videos, When I do my highlight, I use setting spray, sometimes pat down and then do highlight. Sometimes it's highlight then pat down. We're just gonna do it all at once. We're gonna zoom right through it. Ready, set, go. Oh, and I'm using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. The Luxby Aesthetics highlighter in the shade Luna, and just a fluffy brush. Oh, and a powder puff. Ready, go. Now. We're finished. I really like it, honestly. It's very grungy, very 90s. But hey, I'm here for it. I like it. Thank you guys so much for sitting through this hectic little tutorial that I have. If you have not already, feel free to hop on over to my TikTok. I will have it linked in the description box. I always do. I currently have 22.5 thousand little babies over there, so that's interesting. Also, if you have not already, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. If you do try out this look, feel free to tag me on any social, well, I can't say any, on TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat, all at little_baby511. That's LIL_BBY511. And yes, they're all the same. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, night, week, weekend. I don't know when you're watching this, but have a great day. And if it's not going great, I'm sorry, 'cause that sucks. Anyways,